Meet Anker SOLIX E10, your new home energy storage solution. Anker SOLIX E10 offers two backup options, automatic and manual. For automatic whole home backup, connect it with Anker SOLIX Power Dock. And for manual backup, pair it with Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box. In this video, we'll walk through the installation steps, battery recharging process, and device charging methods for E10. Before installing, please check the following. Check that all items are included in the power module box. Check that all items are included in the battery module box. Optional accessories are available to enhance your setup. Select the ones that best fit your needs. Here's how you install E10. There are 4 installation options. Floor mounting. It involves placing the system on solid, flat ground or areas not prone to flooding. Metal base mounting. It refers to installation on a metal pad placed on solid, flat ground. Ideal for areas prone to flooding. Wall mounting. This installation option is also suitable for flood-prone areas. Trolley mounting. This installation option improves the portability of your system. Please take note of these before installation. Let's explore how to mount your E10 to the floor. Start by placing the bottom battery module on a flat, hard surface within Wi-Fi range. Then, remove the bottom rubber plug from the second battery module onward. Next, stack the battery modules. Install the fixed bracket on the topmost battery module. Align ports to mount the power module on top. Lastly, lock the modules to complete the installation. Next, we'll explore how to mount your E10 onto a metal base. Start by placing the metal base. Then, remove the bottom rubber plugs from all battery modules. Mount the battery modules. Install the fixed bracket on the topmost battery module. Align ports to mount the power module on top. Lastly, lock the modules to complete the installation. Here's how to mount your E10 to the wall. Start by assembling bracket holders with the wall bracket. Next, attach bracket holders to the wall. Please note the following before mounting the battery modules. Then, mount the battery modules. Install the fixed bracket on the topmost battery module. Align ports to mount the power module on top. Lastly, lock the modules to complete the installation. The last installation method is trolley mounting. Start by mounting battery modules on the trolley. Then, install the fixed brackets. Align ports to mount the power module on top. Lastly, lock the modules to complete the installation. Make sure to pull the trolley on hard surfaces. Here's how you fold the trolley. After installation, here's how to set up your E10. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. The module will automatically enter networking mode. Download the latest Anker app, then log into your Anker account, or create a new one if you don't have one yet. From the app homepage, select Devices page. Then, tap Add Devices. Select Anker SOLIX E10. To complete the Bluetooth connection, press the IoT button. Choose Power Independently to use E10 as a power station with AC outlets. Connect to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Lastly, update firmware. Next, here's how you power your devices with E10. For everyday use, connect the power strip to the power module. The power strip is sold separately. During a grid outage, connect the included 240 volts output cable to the power module. Then connect the 240 volts output cable to the transfer switch. Next, here's how you recharge your battery modules with Anker SOLIX Smart Generator. Use the DC charging cable to connect your E10 to Smart Generator. Here are some other methods you can also use to recharge your battery modules. Method 1. Recharge via a wall outlet. Method 2. Third-party generator. Method 3. Recharging via solar panels. Start by connecting each solar panel to a set of photovoltaic ports. If the cable is not long enough, use Anker SOLIX solar panel extension cable. Switch the photovoltaic connection selector to the on position. Now, you're all set up and ready to power. Refer to the respective installation videos for connecting to Power Dock or Smart Inlet Box.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.